guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun right here. I want to welcome you to this channel. If you are new and if you are the returning, I want to say thank you for helping us to grow this channel every day by day. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. And today video, I want to show you 2 ways to make money from Binance exchange without having any knowledge or skill of trading cryptocurrency at all. The first thing you're going to do, if you do not have Binance account, go to the description below. You're going to see the link there. Click on that link, register, and make sure that you do verification, fully verification, all right, and to do the security very well so that hacker will not just log into your account and take away all your money. So now the first thing you're going to do after you have done that is just to come to the hand right here. You're going to see drop down. You're going to see staking, right? So when you click on staking, we're going to see a bunch of token right there. You can see that it's still loading. All right, so now you can see 169% APY, estimated APY. APY means annual profit yield. That is in 12 months. What you earn in 12 months if you invest on this coin. You're gonna earn 169, 121, 128, right? So now, but you do not need, if you don't want to wait for that 12 months, it's not actually necessary for you to wait for that 12 months. You can see that we have 15 days, we have 30 days, we have 60 days as well, and this one is up to 190 days. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is just to come to the stake here now, right? So when you get there, then you can see the minimum that you can stake is 0.1 Santos. All right, so and I can see the available is now 100. Okay, it depends. If someone stake 100 now, you won't be able to stake on this particular token right now again. So that is how it goes. So now let's say I want to stake that 100, but I do not have Santos here, so I won't be able to do that. So in 15 days, you can see the estimated interest. That is, this is what I'm going to have in 15 days. I'm going to have 6.9 Santos. Percent of that of 100, I can see 8.2, right? That you can see 8.2. Then in 30 days, if you put 100 there, I can see I'm going to add 2.7 estimated interest, right? So then you're going to see the information right here. Then what do you do? You just to click on I have agreed, and you see confirmation. So you have to confirm it here. Okay, so once you click on confirm, then it will be staked, and you can only release the coin, though you can redeem it before the end of this 30 days. That is, if you need money, at any time you can redeem it back. You don't want to stake any longer anymore, right? So then that's the first one. And the second way to earn without having any knowledge or a skill on this platform is just go to the trade right here. So when you get to the trade, you're going to see trading strategy here. Okay, so when you click on the trading strategy, then it will start loading some information here. And so you can see that we have spot grid, we have futures grid, and we have swap. Now I'm going to talk about the future trading future grid right here. So I click on future grid. So you do not need to know anything about the analysis or whatsoever, right? So then right here you're going to see auto, we're going to see manual. So if you click on the manual, it means you know how to do analysis and want to do the settings by yourself right here. Then you're going to see auto, you see auto, and you can see that everything has been set for you. All you need to do is just to do little settings, and you start trading, making money without even without any knowledge at all, right? So and right here I'm going to see a bunch of token that appears that you can actually trade, like Dodo, AT USD, Acro USD, and the rest. So you can choose any one of them right here. But right here you're going to see that we have what do we have right here? I think Dodo USDT. That is what on the chart right here, and that is what I'm going to use as a sample for you guys to see how this works. All right, to see how this works. All right, so now what you're going to see do here is just to do the settings within right this place. I'm going to see neutral, long, shorts. Okay, so I will say you choose a neutral. so that whenever market is going up, you make money. Whenever market is coming down, you make money as well. All right, either the two way you make money. But if you choose only long, it means if the market is going down, you'll be losing money. You will not make any money. And if the market is going, if you take shorts, if the market is going up, it means you'll be losing, right? So it is better for you to choose a neutral, that is either up or down. You'll be making money from this platform. Then you're going to choose, we have pros, we have isolated, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose pros here. Okay, so then have a leverage right here. So it means leverage means let's say, as you can see that we have this here, because I'm using this as a sample. We have a 18.165 USDT there, right? So if I choose as it is on 15x now, leveraging a leverage, it means that I can open order of like 15 multiplied by 18, 272 something point something, right? It means I will be able to open the position of over $200, even for the fact that I have just $18. But the more higher leverage that you open, the higher the risk that they are going to expose your capital to. Now, if you choose the 30x now, it's very risky, right? Then 40, 50, and the rest. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose 15x. I'm going to choose 15x. 15x. So we're going to say confirm. Okay, so I have 18.165 right here. Okay, then here you're going to click here, that is I want to use all the money, right? So initial margin. Okay, so you can see I'll be able to buy 64.2 dodo. Then and total investment right here now is now 272. That is, I can open order that's up to 272, as I said earlier, because of the leverage of 15x. Because this 15x multiplied by 18 is 13 USDT that I'm having there. All right, so once you do that, then what you're going to do next is just to click on create here. So when you click on create, you're going to see all the informations right here, like neutral. I'm on neutral. The mode is arithmetic. Leverage is 15. Price range, grid number, all those things they are there. Okay, so and I'm not click on I've read and agree terms and condition. Then you're going to click on open order. Okay, so once you click on open order, you can see grid created successfully, and you can see that the order has been created right here. Okay, so you can see that the order has been, so maybe after you have now opened the order, you want to close, you don't want to trade again. Okay, all you need to do is just to come to this place and click on end. Once you click on end, then the order will stop and all your money will be returned back to the available capital. But maybe you do not really know how you can make your money, because if you just come to this place, if your money is on the spot, you not see it here. You normally know how we normally transfer from spot wallet to funding. So but this time around, if you want to transfer, you're going to transfer from spot wallet to see USDT futures. That's where you're going to transfer the funds to before it will be able to, you're able to see it here. Okay, it's not that the money is going to be here automatically. So because for whoever that watch this video, you must have a basic knowledge, not for newbie that do not know anything about Binance at all. It's for those who know basic knowledge, how to operate, how to navigate on Binance exchange. So that is what I have for you guys right here today. So if you are new to this channel, kindly please click on the subscription button and the notification bell, so that whenever I update a content like this, you'll be the first person that's going to enjoy it and quickly make use of it and make money before that your friends. Okay, so then by God's grace, as from next week, there's an update that is coming up on this channel. Don't say I tell you. So but we are doing the verification of the business. You will be happy with it, you will like it, because everybody's going to make money from it, but we are doing our verification, deep verification about the platform, about the business, right? So guys, thank you very much. I remain Adeyemi Oluwaseun.